Want to use Canva directly on your Windows 11 PC without opening a browser? In this video, I'll show you how to install the Canva Desktop app in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. You can open it from the Start menu or search for Microsoft Store in Windows Search. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click on the search bar at the top. Now type Canva and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, look for the official Canva app and click on it. On the app page, click the Install button. The Microsoft Store will now start downloading and installing the Canva Desktop app on your computer. Please wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, click Open to launch the Canva app. Now sign in with your Canva account. You can log in using email, Google account, Facebook, or another available login option. After signing in, you can start creating presentations, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, logos, and many other designs directly from your PC. And that's how you can install the Canva Desktop app on a Windows 11 PC or laptop using the Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching.